Imagine you go with your family in the middle of the desert. You go in the middle of the desert and suddenly you start walking away and you look at your wife and your child say, I'm going. Does it make sense? Ibrahim alayhi salam is in the desert with his wife Hajar alayhi salam and his son Ismail alayhi salam, and Allah tells him, I want you to go. Go away. Go to Baytul Maqdis. What about these people? He didn't even ask what about these people. There was no question. The fact that Allah said go, he started walking. So his wife is asking, Allahu amaraka bihada. Did Allah instruct you to do this? Look at the question. As soon as he was replying in the affirmative, she was happy. If Allah instructed khalas, he will look after us. How will Allah look after you? There is no water, there is no drink. Some of us have lost our jobs and we find it difficult to look for jobs. Some of us are looking for jobs. How will we get the job? Look, you connect with Allah and you keep trying hard. She did not sit and make dua, oh Allah, you took my husband, you told him to go, so I want you to give me, I'm sitting here, you make sure that the water comes and the food comes. No, she didn't sit. She got up and she started looking for a sign of life, a sign of people. Where did she run? From which mount to which mount? Safa to Marwa, and Marwa back to Safa. Up, looking, checking, coming back, going there, checking, coming back. And guess what happened? At a certain point, water started gushing out miraculously. When water gushed out, the birds came. When the birds came, the people, the caravans came. They saw all of that was the help of Allah. Allah wanted that water of Zamzam to be gushing up to today. All of us seated here, or almost all of us, we have some Zamzam or we have had some Zamzam. And perhaps we have it at home as well. When did that well start? Was it not Hajar alayhi salam? Was it not the sacrifice when she was happy with Allah and she said, oh Allah, you told us to do something. I'm going to do it. We're not questioning anything. I'm just going to try. You help me and I'm going to make an effort. She tried not one time, not two times, 7 times. I tell the people who look for a job, I said, you know what? You applied 1-2 places and you're saying, I can't find a job. Apply every day to 7 places. See how quickly you get a job. But we are lazy. We are not prepared to do what Hajar alayhi salam did. She went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You might have to do that every day for 1 month. You get the job. But if you're just going to sit and say, yeah, you know what, inshallah, I get the job. Oh Allah, I'm making salah. I'm doing tahajjud. I'm reading Qur'an. I'm in hijab. I'm doing this. Why am I not getting a job? Because you didn't go up and look for it. That's why it's waiting outside. Subhanallah. So what a beautiful lesson we learn. Allah will open your doors. He wants you to make dua and He wants you to make an effort.